Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to throw a Molotov cocktail in Project Zomboid. First, make sure you have a Molotov cocktail in your inventory. If you don't know how to craft one, there's another video on the channel explaining how to do it. Next, you need a lighter in your secondary slot. Matches generally don't work for lighting Molotovs. Put the Molotov in your primary hand and a lighter in your secondary hand before you try to use it. Once you're ready, aim the throw by holding the right mouse button. This lets you set the direction and distance of the throw. Then click the left mouse button to throw the Molotov toward where you're aiming. When it lands and breaks, the Molotov will create a 3x3 patch of fire that spreads to nearby zombies, objects, or terrain. So always check your surroundings and make sure you and your friends can get out of the fire's way. And that's how you throw a Molotov cocktail in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.